Gote buwe bwabanu ya unafugo na mweza defu namba Chidera. Oh, the seagull, what God says must surely come to pass.
I want to actually go. Yeah, and I want to do it. What is it? I want to that's problem. What I saw in the pot and I thought it was soup. When I went closer, it was actually ordinary boiling water. Ordinary boiling water.
What happened?
I don't know. Zebenjo is planning to make a case against me before the elders for attempting to murder him.
What do you want to do now? Why come to me?
Listen, Wabeze, don't begin to portion blames. You know I did not do it. But the thing is, how do I exonerate myself from this crime? Because I did not do it. I am innocent.
Who told you this?
My sister confirmed it this morning. How do I make people believe that I did not do it?
I don't know. Yes. You are the one who confirmed to me that you are responsible for Zebenjo's death. And when Zebenjo reappeared, he reappeared with a healing wound, which is an evidence that you are responsible for attempt on his life. Don't you think you need to finish what you have started? Dead men don't make cases.
What do I do now? See, Zebenjo is threatening that the only way he can withdraw the case is by marrying my sister Zikora.
Zikora is betrothed to me, and you know Zebenjo cannot take Zikora. Oh,
listen to me. I don't know why you're still hammering on this. I don't want to die. Okay. So, what do we do?
It's a we.
What do we do?
The question here should be, what will you do? And I am supposed to be the one asking you the same question. Obiago, what will you do?
Why would he abandon me now that we need to plan on how to make the marriage not to hold? Where on earth could he have come for this now? What am I going to do? I see failure closing in on me. Kai.
It's not like I don't want you to marry the man you love. But that stranger is not good enough for you. And besides, it's from Umojiri Cave village. You know what I'm talking about.
I know, Papa. I know. Papa, so would you rather, I give birth to a bastard in your house?
What bastard?
I am pregnant. And Zebenjo is the father.
No. That is not possible.
It's possible, Papa. I missed my period this month. And it's been 2 weeks since the actual date, so I'm 2 weeks pregnant, Papa.
So what are you waiting for? We must go to him immediately to come and pay your bride price. Let's go.
Go now?
Now.
Goodbye. Ndon.
Ndebo.
As an ifo ọkụkọ ji mmiri atụ. With all this rain, and you continue coming. You are welcome.
Thank you.
No, I greet you. You can see, as we are here, today is a memorable day in the history of our family, even in the life of our children. I'm going to now. Zikora,
Papa.
Come. Adam, this young man, that is here with his father to seek your hand in marriage. So I ask him you to confirm. Should we go ahead?
In other words, our daughter, what we are saying is, are you asking us to go ahead and collect everything that they came with, including the bride price, with the hope that you will not ask us to collect it from someone else?
Yes, Nai.
Oh my goodness.
Who gave it to the bubble? Adema.
My love, where are you going? I was actually coming to your house.
We have something very important that needs to be attended to immediately.
This your pedophobic nature has risen again. Where are you going? What is this? What is bringing this? Why are you going backwards instead of forward? What is bringing this now? I'm not talking to you. Zagodi Magic.
I know not what you're talking about.
If your father was afraid of having you, you wouldn't have been born and lived today.
I can see that you don't want peace. You want problem. You want violence. You want trouble.
Papa, what is wrong with this girl?
Some people are not married. Leave our house. Don't take any bucket from there.
Please go, Joe.
If you take it, my water reduce 1 inch.
What is wrong with this girl? Some people are not married. Why some families are childless because they are afraid of growing infants? I wonder what could be the cause of this high level of irresponsibility in the society.
Mesailu no wine can know. O meleme.
Jinwa ya na agba enu no he sere gini o.
Ma na pa wa yo de o go.
Eh.
Asikwa gi bi yan o.
Adam. Rabia. Uncle can make a malo to know exactly what you did according to the custom of our land.
What is it? 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 Hey, where could he be? What is it? Where could he be? What is it? What is it? What is it? What is it? Better come and stop the vendor from marrying your betrothed before they steal the marriage. Ah. What is it? Could he be? Better come and stop the vendor. What is it? Hey. Hey, what am I going to do now that this coward has absconded? I need to look for alternative. Oh, hey, Zikora cannot take away the man that I crave to marry. Bam, 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 bam.
No, not under my watch will a stranger take away the woman that is betrothed to me. My ancestors forbid this. I cannot be labeled a coward in my own father's land.
Give it to the man that you love. The man that you love.
That he wants to marry you.
Oh, yeah, no.
What is going on here? I said, what is going on here? Traitor, you got my daughter pregnant and you want to go ahead and marry another woman? No way. It can never happen. Not when I'm still alive.
My Z, you promised to love me forever. Is this the forever? See.
What is going on here?
Zebenjo, Orgidis. Kiyob, Gidne Medieba. I got to me here,
What is going on is Zebenjo here is an imposter. He wants to take a woman that rightfully belongs to me as my wife. While she went other places to do the unimaginable.
Even you?
Hey!
That which is buried has been excavated by erosion of the chronicles.
Hey! Chimo! Hi! What is it? What is it? Hey! What is it? What is it? What is it?
Z, where is he going to? Where is he going?
He's running away to do more evil. Don't you know his name? Zebenjo is not a good name.
Yeah.
It's not a good name. Everything written about you is evil.
No, no.
You see? You see? Zebenjo.
So how does it feel to be alone here? Without food and water?
I feel bad, like a chaff. But please, don't kill me, please. Please don't kill me. Temper justice with mercy, please.
Time is up. Any nonsense. Squeeze you. You know me.
I promise.
You know what I can do.
I promise. I'll do my shit.
Squeeze you.
Please.
Move. Move it.
Please.
I said this. I said it. But nobody was listening to me. Nobody thought Obiago is a nuisance.
Give me my wife. You come home.
Bere. Nke si bere. Gwakwa ya. Ezoku kan na-ekwuriri.
Oh, dear. It's a good thing that you are here. What is happening?
The chronicle
and reckoning are eventually brothers that met on the same day.
Ogudile, your coming is very timely. Please, what is happening here?
Awudinja, the son of Onwudariri, here, has laid a complaint on a mirage. I beseech you, by the gods, are you pregnant? Speak the truth.
Speak now. Truly, I am not.
Samankwe.
Hey!
I only said it to my father to buy his support, so he can help me marry Zibenjo, the man of my dreams. But unfortunately, I came here and he's getting married to another woman.
Eventually getting married to the woman that is betrothed to me. Odemma.
Even the ancestors make mistake and tend to correct it by law of cause and effects.
I will confess, please. I will confess. I'm gonna go. Please. I will confess, please. Please.
Behold! The reincarnate of Onwubariri. Onwudinja, what happened to your wife, Chinelo?
What am I going to do? This woman will soon be due for delivery in few days, and she has refused to go to her parents' house. I can't stand her children littering the house and pouring in the compound, making everywhere messy. I think I know what to do.
That is your own business. I don't want to hear that. Leave my house. Leave.
You can never come out.
Oh, never mind. Go. Maybe can no more. Beruga. I can't take this out of my house. Onyara. See, let me tell you. You are responsible for all my woes. If you didn't come into my life with this evil child of sorrow, my life wouldn't be as painful as it is now. Leave! Take this out of my house. You are responsible for all my predicaments. Come on, take this out of my house. Move! Nah, evil woman. Come on. Get out. No, take that out of my compound. You was that, Lenia. Did I want to make cooking? You get out of my house. Did I ever tell you that I'm looking for a child? Eh? Have I ever once told you that I'm looking for a child? Nyala.
What on earth did I do to deserve this wickedness?
You are asking me. What do you call it wickedness? You're in the highest level of wickedness. No, but you stay in there. Let me go and get the cutlass. I cannot there. He cannot there. I'm begging you. Say, aye. Whoosh.
Okay. I'm doing it. Yeah. Ah! Oh! Come. My baby. My baby. Chim. Yes, I did it. Yeah. 1, 2. My husband. My baby. I did it. Just hold on. It's a girl. Hold on. You know, go. Hold on. Patient for your mother. Just hold on. Chim. Yeah.
The cloud is so heavy. Tebu bwanu ya unafugo na mweza defu namba chidera. Oh, the Zikora, what God says must surely come to pass. Odo here. Can confirm that the woman that you sent away from your house was caught up in a labor. He attended to her. Unfortunately, she died. He kept the child. Whom has grown up to be the man that your daughter has fallen in love with. All these are the gods in their wisdom to reconcile the family back. Behold, Zebenja, the reincarnate of Omudariri. Zebenja and Somnazu are brothers and sisters.
Papa! Papa again.
Ben and Wong.
I'll talk, please. Please, my elders. Please, forgive me and spare my life. It was Wabweze that asked us to kill him because he took his betrothed from him. Please, forgive me, please. What?
Looking for this?
Who are you? And what do you want?
I heard you are the strongest among all in this village. So I came to meet an acquaintance.
Oh, you've heard. You really heard that I'm a alumni. And I do not do well with acquaintances. My machete, please.
Your machete indeed. Lonely people don't belong here. So with your machete, I will send you to your mother. I guess your father did not do well to tell you much about her. Send me word to her when you meet her.
Give me that machete now. I said, give me my machete.
Ajimalele mama, Ajimalele mama, Sebenjo, mwa biarua, mwa
Please. No, Jamie, come with me. From him, please forgive me, please. Spare my life.
Hi! What is it? So it was you all this while?
Give me.
What is it?
It was you.
What is it?
Listen, my people, we must not harbor evil people among us.
Yes.
The customs and the traditions of our land must prevail here, because the stick must accompany the military across the fence.
Yes.
Bam! It must.
Please, it's the devil that work. It's the devil that work. Please.
Then he will be forgive who?
Forgive me, it was a work of devil.
Hi, Papa.
Huh?
He is my brother.
Yes, he making idea too.
I love you. You may not know.
Love has finally won it all.
You fit not know how it starts.
I love you so much.
Even me, it's
I love you too.
all over me. Zikora mo, I love you.
Come on, back up. I beg, this is
Oh, the God says will surely come to pass. Unafugo no dirana kamadu. Unafugo no nkechukukuru geme.
Jesus Christ.
Hey. What has happened has taught me to bridle my mouth. For every happenings in this life, there is always a lesson. What have you learned?
Obiago, who would believe that Nwabweze is capable of perpetrating and masterminding such crime to the point of planning the killing of Zebenjo? Hey! You know I was a syndicate, but all I wanted was not to make Zebenjo marry Zikora, not to want him dead.
It's all my fault. I am a coward, and that is why you dislike having me as a husband.
My mind is not meant for cowards.
Now I know what my father means when he said that a coward is incapable of exhibiting love. It is the prerogative of the brave.
Obiago, speak no more. I can see your repentance. You can never become a hero without appearing as a coward.
I want to ask again and nicely. Will you marry me? Please marry me.
Oh, the Zikora, what God says must surely come to pass. Unafugo no dirana kamadu. Unafugo no nke Chukwu kwuru ga-eme. Oh, oh, Maradim Kosibido. I know how it starts. Say Benjo love get you maro. Yakonum ne pusino. I love you.
You may not know how it starts. You fit not know how it starts. Even me, it's all over me. Zikora more.